One of our top picks in London, just off of Trafalgar Square, in central London, this beautifully restored Victorian building has a 4-star luxury hotel with free Wi-Fi and elegant air-conditioned rooms. In London's West End, only yards from Nelson's Column, the Grand at Trafalgar Square is 183 metres from the National Gallery and the Church of St. Martin in the Fields. The hotel has a free health club, 24-hour room service and free chilled, bottled water. With high ceilings, original windows and period features, the rooms combine Victorian elegance with modern comforts, including luxury bedding. All rooms have an iPod dock, a workstation, CD player and flat screen, high-definition TV with satellite channels and pay-per-view movies. Boyd's is an elegant, contemporary English brasserie serving fine food in the middle of Italian decor and marble. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.